Hey guys, we're gonna make a quick video and we're gonna create a little scenario that'll help explain these if statements. So we're gonna start off by creating a couple variables. So we'll say that we're gonna be selling tickets. So we'll say ticket price equals $30, and we're going to want to get the customer's name. So we'll say customer's name equals input. Hello, what is your name? And we'll do that. And after we ask for their name and then they answer, we're going to tell them that we have tickets for sale and we're going to see if they have enough money. So we'll say customers money equals, and we're asking for an int, so we'll have to specify that in the input like this. So we've just asked, hello, what is your name? They're going to tell us our name. We're going to use their variable. So this is how we use an F string. You put the F before the quotations, and we're going to say um, hey, and then you do your curly brackets, put your variable in there. Hey, customer name. Um, our tickets are, and then we'll use our variable here for our ticket price. Copy, paste it. That'll put 30 there. Dollars a piece. And then we'll say, we'll do a new line. How much money do you have? And this we will run. Oh, before we run it, we'll say if customers, I guess I have to put a space. If customers' money is more than or equal to ticket price, then we're going to sell them a ticket. Print. Great. That's just enough. Here is your ticket. And we'll create another condition. Now if customers' money is less than the ticket price, actually we'll do it like this. We'll say if it's the same amount as the ticket price, we'll print, great, that's just enough, here's your ticket. If it's less than the ticket price, we will print sorry, and then we'll use their name. Copy. We have to put our F before here. Now it's acting like an F string. Sorry, customer's name. You don't have enough money. And we'll scream it at them. and then else. Uh, we can lay this all out, but yeah, we'll just go ahead and specify else. Um, we'll do another elif real quick. Elif customers money is greater than ticket price. We will print that's great. We'll do their name again. Put our F before there. Copy, paste it. Here is your ticket. And we'll say enjoy. And then anything else that's said, we're going to print I'm sorry, I don't understand. Because who knows what they said, right? Okay, so we have our ticket price, our customer's name, we have the customer's money, which is we're gonna ask them, and yeah, we'll get this all back. So let's run this and see how it goes. Pull this up. Hello, what is your name? We'll say our name is Tim. Hello, Tim. Our tickets are $30 a piece. How much money do you have? Let's say Tim only has 23 bucks. Sorry, Tim, you don't have enough money. And you'll notice that we want to put the new line character. That way it places this below the line. And you'll see what I'm saying, how it looks. It just looks better, you know. Let's run it again. Hello, what is your name? We'll say George. Hey George, our tickets are $30 a piece. How much money do you have? We'll say George has got 60 bucks. Oh, that's great, George. Here's your ticket. Enjoy. So George got the other LF, which is if they have more money, right? Let's run it again. Hello, what's your name? Click down here, put Tammy. Hey Tammy, how much money you got? Let's say Tammy got $12. Sorry Tammy, you don't have enough money. So that's this LF. Ooh. That's if it's less than the ticket price, right? And we get to reuse the name. And instead of hard coding the name, you do it like this, so as whatever name is placed down here, it just gets thrown into the sentence, so you don't have to fool with it later. Hello, what's your name? We'll say Fred. All these people are from the 1950s. Fred, our tickets are $30 a piece. Let's just say Fred says, hey. I was hoping for it to throw the else statement, but yeah, it's looking for an integer, so, and that's what it's telling you. It's looking for an int, so that's the wrong thing. So hey, hello, what's your name? We'll say Henry. Tickets are $30 a piece. How much money do you have? Let's say he's got $1,000, right? 10,000. Henry, that's great. And now we'll do our exact amount. We'll say Bob. Bob has $30. Great, that's just enough. And that's how you can dictate specific little examples. So once again, just to kind of hit all of them in order. Run it again. Bob, he has $30. So great, that's just enough. He gets if he has the exact amount. And we have a condition for that. And now we'll do if they have less than. So we'll do Fred. Fred only has $29. So sorry, Fred, you don't have enough money. That's this one. We'll run it again. And now they're going to have more. We'll do Fred again. Fred's going to have $33. Great, that's just enough, or that's more than enough. That's this one. And then our else condition doesn't really apply because we didn't specify that we wanted it to be an integer. So we'll just do another one. Hey, your tickets are $30. So we'll say 34.2. We're using a float, and this is going to pop an error too. And this is why specifying what the answer you're looking for is important, because as you can see, it didn't accept a string earlier, and it won't accept a float. And that's a good example of why we specify what we're looking for. But yeah, that's a pretty quick lesson, and yeah, this is pretty black and white. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.